Hey everyone, I'm Rebecca Keppel. I am so excited to be here and I am thrilled to share with you some very big news. And that news is that Gina K Designs has a brand new 12 Days of Christmas box. I can't open the box. I can't show you what's inside, not even a little peek. It has to stay a secret. But there is so much packed inside this box, you will not believe it. This is a great gift for yourself or for your favorite crafter. Inside, you'll find 12 different packages, and in those packages will be 19 different products. There'll be everything from stamp and die bundles to stencils, all kinds of goodies. And they are not holiday themed. These are supplies that you can use throughout the year. Order now before they sell out, and the boxes will begin shipping on November 10th. That's this week coming up. And then Gina will be doing lives starting on December 12th with unboxings, sharing what's in each day and how to use it to create a project. I am super excited that I was invited to share 2 different days with you as well. I'll have 2 different videos of me opening up those packages and sharing what's inside and how I would use it. Now, all of the items inside this box total about $260, and you can get it for $129.95. That's a huge discount on some new product for you to use throughout the year and a surprise for 12 days out of December. So head to the link in my YouTube description box below this video and you'll be able to go right over and check out more of the details of the box and how it's going to be revealed. But like I always say with really popular Gina K Designs products, if you want one, grab it now, okay? So I am sharing with you this box so that you can get out there and grab one way before Gina starts opening them and sharing so much fun with lives and techniques and ideas on how to use the supplies. I want to wish you a very wonderful, happy, healthy, safe holiday season, and I want to thank you for stopping by and spending time with me today. See you soon with some 12 days of Christmas ideas.